Okay, part 4 of our unit circle tutorial. We're going to look at how you figure out the degrees that go with the pi over 4 radians, okay? So similar to how we did the ones around pi over 6, they all count by the same amount. So you're going to be counting by 45 degrees this time. So this first one is 45 degrees. So 45 plus 45 puts you up here at 90, okay? 90 plus 45, so this section here would be 135 degrees. Okay, then 135 plus 45 puts you down here at 180. Then 180 plus 45 puts you at 225. And then again, if you add another 45, you'll be back down here at 270. And then add another 45 and you'll end up at 315. And you add another 45 and you end up at 360. Another way to look at these, if you don't want to add like 45s around, is that these sections, so in between here and here, are 15 degrees. And it does that around the whole circle, okay? So you're jumping 30 degrees from like each pi over 6 one. And then it's 15 for these like smaller pieces. So if you'd rather look at it that way, you can definitely do it that way around the unit circle. Okay, so that's how you find all the degrees of the unit circle. All right, so next video we'll talk about where the coordinates come from and how you can figure them out.